あのでかいボス級は俺が相手する。他は蹴散らしてしまう。
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's go to tutorial. This edit, copy the clip, go to remove background, custom removal, it's good. Go to FX, video effects, glitch, static morph, copy the effect, go to replace, tape dropouts, it's good. Add the overlay, go to splice, filter, it's good. This clip, go to animation, flashing, this, flashing, this. It's good. Now add a white overlay, library, white overlay, fit it to the screen, split, set the time to 0.3 seconds, go to splice, overlay, go to animation, out, fade out, copy the overlay, alright, now go to FX, video effects, nightclub, shake, copy the effect, it's good. Click on object, add videos, click on adjust, speed maximum, copy the effect, copy the effect, alright guys, I put this effect for all the clips. Now go to video effects, nightclub, pulse 2, copy the effect, alright guys, I put this effect for all the clips. Go to video effects, lens, vignette, click on object, add videos, copy the effect, go to replace, sharpen edges, copy the effect, go to replace, glitch, chromatic. It's good. I see the result.
あのでかいボス級は俺が相手する。他は蹴散らしてしまう。